Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulih al-kareem. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we will start the second page of the second lesson. In the last lesson, we studied the first page of the joint letters of the second lesson, and today we will start the second page of the second lesson. Let's Bismillah. We will start from here. So this is the first word. The first word has two letters. One is this one and one is this one. The first one is noon. The first one is noon. Why is this noon? It doesn't look like noon. So why is this noon? It doesn't look like noon, but if we look at this letter, so it has one dot on it. Noon is written like this in isolated form. In isolated sham, noon is written like this. It has one dot on the top here. If we see here, so this letter has also one dot on the top. This is a pink letter. This is a pink letter, and this pink letter has this pink dot on it, not this green one. This green dot is with this green letter. This green dot is with this green letter, not with the purple one. So this purple letter has, sorry, this pink letter has one dot here on the top, and noon has also one dot on the top. That is why we will not follow the shape, we will follow the dot on it, as we know that noon has one dot on the top and this letter has also one dot on the top. That is why it is noon. This is noon. If we look, so it is like this. It is very similar to the noon, but it is in joint form. That's why it looks different. So this is why this is noon. Because of the dot on it, it is noon. And this one is kha. Kha. It is the ha which has one dot on the top. It is the ha which has one dot on the top. We write one ha is this one, and one is this one ha. So this ha has no dot on it, and this ha has one dot on it. Ha has no dot on it, and ha has one dot on the top. This is pronounced from the middle part of throat, and this is pronounced from the upper part of throat. Noon kha. So it is noon kha. First letter is noon, and then the second letter is kha. Noon kha. Next one. This one is ya. This ya has two dots under it here. As I have told you already uh, in the last lesson, that ya is written uh, ya is written in two shapes. When ya comes in the beginning or in the middle, so ya will have two dots under it. Ya will have two dots under it, like this. So we can see here that ya has come in the beginning of the word in a combined form. That's why this ya has two dots under it. Same, if the same ya comes in the middle, it will have still two dots under it. But if ya comes in isolated form, in separate form, or at the end of a word, then ya will be written like this. Ya will have no dots then. Ya will be then without dots. And that's coming in the second lesson, in the second line here. So this one is ya. Why? Because it has two dots under it. And this one is ha. We just did it. This is ha, pronounced from the middle part of throat. So this one is ya. Ya has two dots under it, and this one is ha. Then is ba. Ba has one dot under it in its bottom. We have studied that in the first lesson, that ba will have one dot in the bottom, and this letter has also, this is a pink letter and it has this pink dot under it. So this is ba. First one is ba. This one is ba. And this one is Jim. Why? Jim has one dot in the middle. Ha has one dot on the top and Jim has one dot in the middle. So this one is Jim. The pink one is Ba and the black one is Jim. So it together it is Ba Jim. Ba Jim. This one was together if we say this one, so it is Ya and this one is Ha. So Ya Ha. Ya Ha. And this one is Bajim. Together it is Bajim. Next one. This letter has also two dots under it, like this one. So this is Ya. This is Ya. And this one is Meme. Meme. Meme is also written in this shape. Meme is also written in this shape. So this is Ya and this is Meme. Together it is Ya Meme. Ya Meme. This one is Ba. Ba. Ba has one dot under it as we did it here. So this one is Ba and the next one, this black one is Meme. Ba Meme. It is Ba Meme together. Ba Meme. Next one. This one is Noon. Noon has one dot on the top as we did it here. That Noon will have one dot on the top. So this one is Noon and this one is again Meme. Noon Meme. This one is Ta because Ta has two dots on the top. Ya has two dots in the bottom and Ta has two dots on the top. So this is Ta and this one is again Meme because this one look like this one. So this is Meme. Together it is Tamim. Let's do it again from here. Noon Meme. Together it is Noon Meme. And this one is Tamim. This one is Sa. This one is Sa. And this one is Meme. Samim. Sa has three dots on the top. And this one is Meme. It looks like this one. So definitely it is Meme. Samim. Noon has one dot on the top. Sa has two dots on the top and Sa has three dots on the top. And Sa will be smooth in shape. We have to keep that in mind. If a letter has three teeth, three spikes, and on the top of that three dots are written, so that is not then Sa. That is then Seen. Sorry, Sheen. That is then Sheen. If a letter has three spikes like this, and on the top of that are three dots written, so that is then Sheen, not Sa, because Sa have to be smooth. Sa will be like this. Sa has to be smooth. This is Sa and this is Meme, Sa Meme, like that. So it is Sa Meme. This is Sa and this is Meme, Sa Meme. Next one is Ba. Ba has one dot again in the bottom as we did it here. We did that. Ba will have one dot in the bottom. So this one is Ba. The pink one is Ba. It has one dot here. And the black one is Ya. This one is Ya. Ya is, as I told you, that in the end, Ya will be written like this. Ya will be written like this. If Ya comes in the beginning, so then Ya will have two dots under it. Same if Ya comes in the middle, so Ya will have two dots under it. But if Ya comes in the end or in isolated form, then Ya will be written like this. Now what has happened here is they have trimmed this part of Ya, this upper part of Ya, and they have only written this part of Ya over here. So that is why it looks a little different than this isolated Ya. So the first one is Ba and this one is Ya. ba ya. This black one is ya. Together it is ba ya, ba ya. Then next one is it has two dots under it. The pink one has two dots under it, and we learned that the letter which has two dots under it is ya. Ya is written in this shape when it comes in the beginning or in the middle. Ya will have two dots under it when it comes in the beginning or in the middle. So this one is ya when it comes in the beginning. This ya is in the shape when it comes in the beginning, and this ya is when it comes in the end. So this shape is the beginning shape of the ya, and this one is the ending shape of the ya. So this is ya, and this is also ya, ya, ya. Both are ya, ya. The first one ya is in the beginning form, and the last one is in the ending form. So this one, both of them are ya, ya, but in different shapes. Ya, and this one is also ya, ya, ya. Next one. This one is noon. Noon has one dot on the top, like this one, like this one. And this one is again ya, and its ending form. So both of the one, this one is noon, and this one is ya, noon ya. Together it is noon ya. This one is noon, and this one is ya. Next one. This one is ta because it has two dots on the top. And the black one is ya again in its ending form. Ta ya, ta ya. This one is sa. Sa has three dots on the top. Sa, and this one is ya, sa ya. Together it is sa ya. Next one. This one is noon. This one is noon. This black one because it has one dot on the top. And this dot is with this pink letter. So this pink letter has one dot in the bottom. That's why it is ba, noon ba. And this one is lam. Lam is written like that. Lam, noon ba lam, noon ba lam. Then this one is ta, this one is noon, and this one is lam. Ta noon lam. Ta has two dots on the top. Noon has one dot on the top. And this one is lam. So it is together it is ta. This one is ta, this one is noon, and this one is lam. Ta noon lam. Ta noon lam. Together it is ta noon lam. Then this one is ba. Ba has one dot in the bottom. And this one is ya. Ya has two dots in the bottom. Ba has one dot in the bottom. Ya has two dots in the bottom. And this one is lam. This ya is in its middle form. As I told you that ya will have two dots in the bottom when it comes in the beginning or in the middle. And ya will be written in this shape when it is in the when it is at the end of a word. So this one is ba, this one is ya, and this one is lam. Ba ya lam. Ba ya lam. Together it is ba ya lam. Next one. Ya, ta, lam. Ya has two dots in the bottom. Ta has two dots on the top. And lam has in the beginning, lam is straight like alif. And then it is it is like a semicircle in the end. It has a semicircle in the end. So this is ya, this one is ta, and this one is lam. Ya ta lam, ya ta lam. Next one is sa. Sa has three dots on the top. This one is also sa, and it has also three dots on the top. This one is lam. So together it is sa sa lam, sa sa lam. This one is noon. The black one is noon because it has one dot here on the top. And the next one is ba. Ba has one dot here in the bottom. So this is noon ba. And this is again noon because it has one dot on the top. So noon ba noon. Noon ba noon. It looks very similar to fa, the first one, but it is not fa. Why? Because fa has a round shape here and it doesn't have that round shape. It doesn't have that round shape. Fa has also one dot on the top, but fa has at the same time a round shape here in the beginning, which noon doesn't have. So this one, that is why this one is noon. It is not fa. Why? Because it doesn't have that round shape here. And this one is ba, and this one is noon. So noon ba noon. Noon ba noon. Next one, ba noon noon. Ba has one dot in the bottom. Then this noon, this is noon. It has one dot on the top, and this one is also noon at the end. So ba noon noon. Ba noon noon. Together it is ba noon noon. Next one is ta. This one is ta. Ta has two dots on the top. And this one is ya. Ya has two dots in the bottom. And this one is noon. Ta ya noon. Ta ya noon. Ta has two dots on the top. Ya has two dots on the bottom. These dots. And this one is noon. So together it is ta ya noon. Ta ya noon. We'll go from right to left. So ta ya noon. Then next one is ya ta noon. Ya has two dots in the bottom. Then this is ta. Ta has two dots on the top, and this one is noon. It has one dot in the bottom and in the top. Sorry. So it is ya ta noon. Ya ta noon. This one is ya. This one is ta, and this one is noon. So together it is ya ta noon. Next one. Sa ta noon. Both of them are smooth in shape with three dots on them. So that is why they are sa, not sheen. This the first one is sa. The second one is also sa because both have three dots on them and they don't have those spikes as well. They are smooth in shape. So both are sa. And this one is noon. Sa noon. This one is jim. Jim has one dot in the middle. This one is ha, ha. This one is Jim, and this one is ha. Jim has one dot in the middle, ha has no dot. Then this one is ha. Ha has one dot on the top. Ha has one dot on the top. This one is ha. Now this one ha. This one ha is written here in joint form with the tha, and this one is tha. What happens is whenever we join jim, ha, and ha with other letters, so what happens is this part, this part of ha, jim, and ha is trimmed. This part is trimmed, which I have colored. This part is trimmed, and only this part is written. Only this part of gym will be written. So you will also see when gym is joined with other letter, you will see that gym will have a dot here in the bottom. It will look like gym has a dot in the bottom, and that's because this part is trimmed. This part is trimmed. This part is not written anymore. So and only this part of gym is written. So this dot looks in the bottom, not in the middle. Why? Because this part is not there anymore. And ha, this part of ha is trimmed and only this part is written. So that is why you see this ha in this shape. This you see this shape like this. So only which part will be written? This upper part will be written, and when it is joined, when ha is joined with the other letter, so only upper part will be written. The lower part will not be written. This will be trimmed. That is why you see only this part of the ha written here. If I complete this ha, so you will see it will look like this one. If I complete this ha, you can see that it looks like this one. So because this part is trimmed, so it looks different for the beginner. Further, it is same ha. Ha. And this one is sa. The first one is ha. And the second one is sa. Same happens to the jim, which happens to the ha. Same happens to this ha, which happens to this ha. We can see next, this ha is written here in the joint form. So what has happened? This lower part of ha has been trimmed. This part of ha has been trimmed, and only the upper part of ha is written, which is this one. So that is why this joint form of ha looks different from the isolated one. This one is ha. This ha is in its joint form, and this one is ba. Ha ba. Ha ba. The first one is ha, and the second one is ba. Ha ba. Next one is jim. Jim has jim. If we see the isolated jim, so isolated and separate jim has one dot in the middle, but here this jim has one dot in the bottom. Why? Because this part this part of gym has been trimmed. If I complete this part, then you will see that this dot will be in the same middle. If you can look at this one, so look, the dot is in the middle, but because of trimming this part, this dot becomes under the gym. So this is gym in the joint form, and this one is ta. Together it is gym ta. Jim ta. Here, next one, this one is, this black one is ta. Why? Because it has two dots on the top. The black one is ta, and the next one is ha. This one is ha. This same ha is taken and just written in the middle. This joint form of ha is taken and written in the middle. So that one is ha, and this one is again ta. Ta ha ta. Together it is ta. This one is ta. This one is ha, and this one is ta. So ta ha ta. Ta ha ta. That's enough for today. Inshallah, then see you in the next lesson.